Welcome to Student Planning, Dropping Courses. You can drop a registered section until the voluntary withdrawal date. Please check the University of Winnipeg website for refund and voluntary withdrawal dates, as they may vary from section to section and term to term. Registered sections can be dropped on the Schedule tab under Plan and Schedule. Select a section from your current schedule and drop it from your registration by selecting the Drop button. A legal statement will display. Review the statement and then click the Accept button to continue. The Register and Drop Sections dialog box is then displayed, where you can select any additional sections you want to drop. You can also choose to register for any other plan sections at the same time. Select the Update button when you have completed your selections, and you will be registered and dropped from the sections you specified. The planned section will remain on your schedule, but it will no longer show that you are registered for the section if the drop was successful. You can remove the section from your plan by clicking the X beside the section information, or remove the course from your plan by clicking the X beside the course name. Please note, you will not be able to drop courses using Student Planning if you have a hold on your account. If you have a hold or any other restriction, a message will display in the notifications located at the top right of your screen, and the drop button will be grayed out. Check out our other student planning videos.